to celebrate resilience, teamwork, and unwavering belief that every game is a chance to rise and believe in our own city and province, homegrown talents. Season 2025 was a season to celebrate. Not only did we transcend the 7-year itch, but this season brought new innovation in this league. We had the place 3 and the free 3. The creation of NPL Media Bureau, composed of well-respected content creators. A diversified homegrown NPL youth, 10 under to 21 under, with more than 20 plus cities and provinces, qualifying tournament as road to national finals in January 2026. International youth, powered by NPL Pilipinas, NPL Thailand, NPL UAE, and NPL Middle East. Our rebranded WNPL Rising Stars, 18 under and 25 under, likewise with national finals, to name a few. This President's Cup, as it was named after my appointment as President of NPL Pilipinas, promises a bigger, more exciting conference. First, the addition of 3 solid teams, 1 from the north, the Pangasinan Sinceros, and 2 teams from the south, the Kanga of Santa Rosa Erenados and Maximus Premium Feeds of Corn. Second, we just said yes to a new digital international TV partner from the 4 existing IPTV partners all over the world. Union TV, under Mark TV of the Umbrella Company, owned by NBA superstars James Harden and Ja Morant. May I call Aya Chair Gomez of Pinas Kapampangan and Mr. P.D. Manalo to join me on center court. Aya Gomez and Sir P.D. Manalo. I'd like to call Jonathan Lodlock, MJ Mayo, Jeff Esquizado, Juancho Tolentino, Edgy Jejeros, MJ Raton, and CJ Gania to join me on center court. Sir P.D. Manalo. The creation of the Social Responsibility Division of NPL Pilipinas, the NPL Players Foundation. To be chaired as advisor, Ms. Chair Aya Gomez, and Mag-Organizing Governor, Mr. P.D. Andrew Manalo. They said, charity begins at home, and the NPL Players Foundation was created to first take care of players and give back to respective communities that they proudly represent in the NPL. Mr. P.D. Manalo and Ms. Katrina Malduna provided a contact growing farm, a contact growing business, and dressed chicken reselling business invite the GAP Chairman, Attorney Francisco Rivera, our Senior Vice President of Aliw Broadcasting Corporation,